Hello, my name is Barnabas, and today I will be presenting my Java-based inventory management system. This project replaces a manual inventory system with a simple computerized version built using Java Swing for the interface and object-oriented programming principles. The system allows us to add products, view inventory, remove stock, and save inventory records with traceability through the device MAC address. Now, when the program starts, we see a main interface with 5 buttons: add items, view inventory, the remove stock, save inventory, and exit button. Alright, when you click on add, I will demonstrate adding an item. I will enter a product name, for example milk, and a quantity of 10. The item has been added successfully to the inventory. Now click on view inventory. Here the system displays the current list of items. We can see milk, 10 in the inventory. Next, the remove stock button. I will demonstrate remove stock. Let's remove 3 units of milk. Now the stock has been updated successfully. Now milk shows a remaining of quantity of 7. Click save inventory. When we save, the system writes the inventory into a text file inside the My Document folder. The file includes the list of the products and automatically appends the device MAC address, which provides accountability and traceability for inventory updates. And finally, the exit button. Finally, we can close the application by clicking exit. In conclusion, the project demonstrates how Java can be used to build a simple yet practical retail tool. It implements the object-oriented programming concept, uses HashMap for data storage, and provides a graphical user interface. This system makes inventory management more efficient, accurate, and traceable. Alright, if you are interested in the system, the Java codes are at the description below. And thank you for watching, and until next time.